Good morning students, welcome to my video lecture. First Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In last class we discussed periodic function and all trigonometric functions. Periodic function means a function is said to be a periodic function with fundamental period capital T if f of x plus t is equal to fx. For all x belongs to domain of f. All x belongs to domain of f means in particular interval the value of the function is repeat. Okay, so that particular interval is known as period. Next, trigonometry function. We already dealt sine function, cosine function, tan function, cotangent function, secant and cosecant functions. Their domain, range, nature, period, and we discussed already also their graphs. Today we are going to discuss some problems from functions. Okay, so question number 1 given. Question number 1, let a is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. It is a set, and the function f such that a to z defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. Find range of f and pre-image of 6 minus 3 5. Okay, to find range of f. Range means set of all output. Range means what? Set of all output of the input. नहीं तो ठीक अच्छी. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 given f of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3 f such that a to z, z means set of integer, a is equal to what? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, so first find f of minus 2 means x जगह minus 2 put करो तो 2 square 2 into 2 minus 3. This is minus 3. Next f of minus 1 तो minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3. तो 1 plus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. f of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 2 into 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. f of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 3. So this is minus 5 means minus 4. f of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2. Sorry, this is minus 2 square. Sorry, minus 2. So this is 4 plus 4 minus 3 means 5. 4 plus 4 minus 3 means 5. 2 square, this is 2 into 2 minus 3. So 4 cancel minus 3. Okay, therefore range of f is equal to f of capital A is equal to all the output. All the output means 5, this is 0, this is minus 3, minus 4. Minus 3 repeated 2 times. So taking once only. So 5, f of 0 is equal to minus 3, f of 2 also minus 3. Okay. So this is the range of the function. Next, pre-image of 6. तो ये क्वेश्चन नंबर ए आसीगला. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर बी कौन अच्छी? प्री इमेज ऑफ 6. तो प्री इमेज ऑफ 6 तो इन रेंज सेट देयर इज नो एलिमेंट 6 is there, means 6 is not there in range set, therefore 6 has no pre-image. So 6 has no pre-image because 6 does not belongs to f of a. Next, minus 3 has 2 pre-image. Minus 3 has 2 pre-images, and they are 0 and 2. 0 and 2. 0 and 2. Okay. Next 5 has a pre-image. 5 has 1 pre-image, that is -2. -2 means pre-image of 5 is equal to -2. Pre-image of 5 is equal to -2. We also draw the graph also. This is A set, this is Z set. तो ये है -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 dot this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, -3, -4. तो -2, this is -2, -1 सहित 0, next 0 सहित -3, 1 is equal to -4, and 2 is equal to -3. Okay, so this is the function. Next, second number given 2, f is equal to, given that f is equal to 1, 5, 2, 7, 3, 9, 4, 11. Okay, f of x is equal to ax plus b. That means f of 1 is equal to 5, f of 2 is equal to 7, f of 3 is equal to 9, f of 4 is equal to 11. Then find the value of a and b. Okay, अच्छा, f of 1 is equal to a into 1 plus b. But f of 1 is equal to 5. This is 5 is equal to a plus b. This is equation 1. Okay, also f of 2 is equal to 7. This implies put x is equal to 2. So f of 2 is equal to a into 2 plus b. That means 7 is equal to 2a plus b. Equation 2. So 2 minus 1. Because equation 1 and 2 contains two unknown quantity a and b. So 2 minus 1, b cancel, 2a minus a, that is a. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2. Okay. Achha, from 1, b is equal to 5 minus a is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3. So find the value of a and b कहला आसीगला. Therefore f of x is equal to ax plus b. A means 2, 2x plus b means 3. So when x is equal to 1, so it is 5, x is equal to 2, it is 7, x is equal to 3, it is 9, x is equal to 4, it is 11. Okay. Next question. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to 3 plus x if -3 less than equal to x less than equal to 0, 3 minus x if 0 less than x less than 3, x minus 3 if 3 less than equal to x less than 5. So question, find domain of f, range of f of -4 if exist. Next x, find x if f of x equal to 3, and find f of 2. Find f of 2. Okay, these are the questions. Okay. अच्छा, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सॉल्यूशन. गिवन f of x is equal to 3 plus x if -3 less than equal to x less than equal to 0, 3 minus x if 0 less than x less than 3, x minus 3 if 3 less than equal to x less than 5. So 1 means a domain of f. Domain of f means x means -3 to 5. semi closed, semi open. Here is equal given, here is equal not given. So domain of f is equal to -3 to 5, -3 to 5. Okay, means -3 to 0 union, -3 to 0 union 0 to 3 union 3 to 5. that equal nahi to open, equal achi close, equal nahi open, both are equal achi to close. So is equal to -3 to 5, -3 to 5 is to open the domain of f, domain of f. Next b, range of f, range of f. So when x lies between -3 to 0, f of x equal to this. Okay, so f of -3, f of -3 means put x is equal to -3 here. So 3 -3 is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 here. F of 0 is equal to 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Okay. Next. So this is 0 to 3. When -3 less than equal x less than equal to 0, f of x lies between 0 to 3. F of x lies between 0 to 3. Next, when 0 less than x less than 3, what is fx? Fx is equal to 3 minus x. So f of 0 is equal to 3. F of 0 is equal to 3. F of 3 is equal to 0. F of 3, 3 minus 3, 0. That means f of x lies between 0 to 3. Lies between f of x lies between 0 to 3. Okay. Next, when x lies between 3 to 5, when 3 less than equal to x less than 5, so f of x is what? X minus 3. So f of 3 is equal to 0. F of 5 is equal to 2. 5 minus 3, 2. So f of x lies between 0 to 2. 0 to 2. Okay. So range of f is equal to, range of f is equal to 0 to 3. 0 to 3. 0 to 3. Okay. 0 to 3 is the range of f. Means union of this 0 to 3, open into 0 to 3, 0 to 2, सब जगह union means कौन आसे 0 to 3 आसे 0 to 3, ये आसे union 0 to 3, union 0 to 2, that means 0 to 3. This is the range of f. Range of f. Okay. Next, find find f of -4 if exist. F of -4. C, f of -4. F of -4 does not exist because -4 does not belongs to -3 to 5. Therefore f of -4 does not exist. Next, D, find x if f of x equal to 3. Find x if f of x is equal to 3. Okay. अच्छा, let f of x is equal to 3 plus x. This implies 3 plus x is equal to 3, implies x is equal to 0. तो 0, तो x is equal to 0, ये ठीक अच्छे, belongs to -3 to 0. तो x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Okay. X is equal to 0. find x if f of x is equal to 3. F of x is equal to 3 means because 3 belongs to this interval 0 to 3. Next E. What is E? Find f of 2. F of 2. So here x is equal to 2 belongs to this interval 0 to 3. 2 belongs to second interval 0 to 3. Okay. So 2 nahi ethre 2 nahi ethre 2 अछि. तो f of 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 ହେଲା 0 less than x less than 3 0 to 3 भितर 2 रहुछि तो x जगह 2 एठी पकेबो एठी 2 पके एठी 2 रहुनी एठी 2 रहुनी एठी पकेबो होला तो ये होला आंसर ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन let the function f such that r to r defined by f of x is equal to x square plus 2 okay. If a is equal to x belongs to r such that x lies between minus 2 to 1, then find f of a. Then find f of a. Next, r log x square and 2 log x equal. Third one, let f of x is equal to square root of x plus 1 and g of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. Then describe each of the following functions. 1 f plus g, second one g minus f, third one f square plus 7f, fourth one f by g, fifth one f g and sixth one 5 by g. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. Okay, so first 4 given f of x is equal to x square plus 2. This is given that f of x is equal to x square plus 2 and the set a is equal to x belongs to r such that minus 2 less than x less than 1. So find f of a. Find f of a. X belongs to open interval minus 2 to 1. X belongs to open interval minus 2 to 1. X belongs to open interval minus 2 to 1. Okay, so find f of minus 2. So f of minus 2 is what? Minus 2 square plus 2, that means 6. Okay, next f of 1. F of 1 means 1 square plus 2 is equal to 3. Also find f of 0 is equal to 0 square plus 2 is equal to, since 0 belongs to minus 2 to 1. Okay, therefore f of range of f of a is equal to f of a is, what is the maximum value of these three? The maximum value of these three means 6. So 6 and minimum value of these three is 0. So 6 is open interval and this is closed interval because minus 2 is not there. X is strictly greater than minus 2. So minus 2 is not there in this interval. Hence f of a belongs to, or f of a is equal to semi open semi closed 6 to 0. 0 already 0 belongs to this interval minus 2 to 1. So this is the f of a. F of a is equal to semi open semi closed 0 to 6 to 0. Sorry, 0 to 6. Sorry, this is 0 to 6. So 0 पाखरे close, 6 पाखरे open. 0 पाखरे close, 6 पाखरे कौन आसिबो open. This is question number 4. Next question number 5. Next question number 5. R log x square 2 log x equal. Two functions are said to be equal if their domain, codomain, and value of the function in each cases are equal. That is, fx and gx are equal means domain of fx is equal to domain of gx. Codomain of fx is equal to codomain of gx, and fx is equal to gx for each x belongs to domain. Okay, so here question number 5. Let f of x is equal to log x square, g of x is equal to 2 log x. Okay, so x square is always greater than 0. X square is always greater than equal to 0. अच्छा, तो domain of first function, domain of f means here log x square. तो x such that x square greater than or equal to 0. X square greater than 0. Okay, तो एक्स स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन 0 मीन्स डोमाइन इज इक्वल टू एक्स सच दैट x belongs to R but x not is equal to 0. So that means R minus curly bracket 0 is the domain of fx. Because x is negative, x square is positive. Only x is equal to 0, so log 0 not defined. When x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, log 0 not defined. Therefore, we cannot take the value 0. Similarly, domain of G is equal to x such that x greater than 0. That means 0 to infinity. Since domain of f not is equal to domain of G, so this implies log x square not equal to 2 log x. Functionally, they are not equal. Okay. Next one, given 6th number, given f of x is equal to square root of x plus 1, g of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. First find the domain of each function. Okay, so their square root form. So domain of f is equal to x such that x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, because if x plus 1 is positive greater than or equal to 0, then we can find their roots. Otherwise it is imaginary. If x plus 1 is negative, then it is imaginary, not belongs to real number r. Okay, so domain of f means x such that x plus 1 এই ভ্যালুটা যে রুট ভিতরে যা আছে সেটি পজিটিভ হব তো রুট বাহারিব। ওকে, তো x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0, so this is x such that x greater than or equal to minus 1, so this is minus 1 to infinity, domain of f. Similarly, domain of G, same process, x such that 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0, 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. Okay, अच्छा first put 9 minus x square is equal to 0 implies x is equal to plus or minus 3. So draw the number line. This is minus infinity to plus infinity. Then put the value of x, minus 3 and plus 3 in ascending order. Okay, what is the sign of x square here? Sign of x square is negative. So put here negative sign. Means जेहेतु x square अगर नेगेटिव अच्छी एपटे आमरा छो राइट आडू, तो ये आसो कौन नेगेटिव, आर साइन जहाँ आर साइन तहा, हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ x रो कोफिशिएंट रो साइन जहाँ थो एडी साइन सेम साइन पुट करिवो, तार अपोजिट एडी प्लस, तार अपोजिट एडी कौन आसो माइनस. तो हियर 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0 means positive value नवा, तो this is taking this value, तो implies x belongs to this interval minus 3 to plus 3. When x belongs to minus 3 to plus 3, then 9 minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, then we can find their root. Okay, so domain of G, so domain of G is equal to square bracket minus 3 to plus 3. This is domain of G. तो question number 1 A कौन देखो, then describe each of the following function f plus g. अच्छा f plus g means f plus g दुईटा फंक्शन केतला हम ऐड करि परिबा, जेतलो तेमानकर कॉमन डोमेन हबो f plus g रो, डोमेन ऑफ f plus g इज इक्वल टू डोमेन ऑफ f इंटरसेक्शन डोमेन ऑफ g है कि. तो f डोमेन ऑफ f plus g is equal to domain of f intersection domain of g. So what is the common? This is minus 1 to infinity intersection minus 3 to 3. So what is the common? So it is the common asla minus 1 to 3, minus 1 to 3 is common. So common domain is minus 1 to 3. Therefore f plus g is defined. F plus g is defined. F plus g is defined when or f plus g such that minus 1 to 3, minus 1 to 3 minus 1 to 3, 3 is close because 3 lies there, nahi ki? So minus 1 to 3, two real number are f plus g of x is equal to fx plus gx, fx plus gx. So what is fx? Square root of x plus 1 plus square root of 9 minus x square. Okay, so ये ला f plus g. Similarly g minus f same. 2 b g plus f, g minus f, domain of g minus f, domain of g minus f equal to same domain of g intersection domain of f. So is equal to same minus 1 to 3 domain of g minus f. Okay, and g minus f of x is equal to gx minus fx is equal to square root of 9 minus x square minus square root of x plus 1. Okay, next c f square plus 7f. f square plus 7f means this is f into f plus 7, f into f plus 7. So here, so domain of f square plus 7f is same as domain of f, is same as domain of f. Okay, so is equal to f. What is the domain of f? Minus 1 to infinity. Okay, so therefore f square plus 7f of x is equal to f square x plus 7fx. So what is f square x? The root x plus 1 ro whole square plus 7 into root x plus 1. That means x plus 1 plus 7 into root x plus 1 for all x belongs to minus 1 to infinity. Okay, next d. So what is d? f by g. f by g is defined when domain of f, only when domain of f by g is equal to domain of f intersection domain of g minus x such that g of x is equal to 0. So this is domain of f into domain of g means minus 1 to 3 minus x such that g of x is equal to 0 means 9 minus x square root is equal to 0. Okay, so is equal to minus 1 to 3 minus, this is minus 3 comma 3, 9 minus x square equal to 0 means x equal to plus or minus 3. So is equal to minus 1 to 3, this is closed, this is open. This is open because 3 is minus, ये 3D पड़ेला तो ये open ही गला बे नहीं कि. Therefore f by g of x is equal to fx by gx is equal to what is fx? Root x plus 1 divided by root 9 minus x square, root x plus 1 by root 9 minus x square for all x belongs to minus 1 to 3 open, semi close, semi open. Okay, e f g is defined when x belongs to domain of f intersection domain of g. That implies x belongs to minus 1 comma 3 close. So fgx is equal to fx into gx is equal to root x plus 1 into root 9 minus x square for all x belongs to minus 1 to 3. For all x belongs to minus 1 to 3. Okay. Next h. Phi by g. Phi by g is defined when x belongs to x defines x such that g of x not is equal to 0. G of x not is equal to 0. Okay. Acha. What is the domain of g? Domain of g. Sorry. This is domain of g minus x such that g of x is equal to 0. Okay. So domain of g means what? Domain of g is equal to minus 3 to plus 3 square bracket. Achha, g of x is equal to 0 means implies 9 minus x square is equal to 0. So implies x is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay. So domain of phi by g is equal to domain of g minus x such that g of x is equal to 0. So is equal to minus 3 to plus 3 minus curly bracket minus 3 comma 3 minus 3 comma 3. Okay. So is equal to open interval minus 3 to plus 3. Okay. Therefore phi by g of x is equal to phi by gx is equal to phi by root 9 minus x square for all x belongs to minus 3 to plus 3 open interval. Okay. So this is the functions described in each of the given cases. Next, find the domain of the following cases. Very important to find the domain of the function. Domain means for what value of x the function is finite. तो सही सेट बर्तन बाहर करिया में को इंटरवल रे फंक्शन टा फाइनाइट होथिबो मींस को फंक्शन रे हाँ को इंटर फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स रा कौन वैल्यू नेले फंक्शन टा फाइनाइट आसीबो सही सेटा वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स को हम कोन कहबा डोमेन ऑफ द फंक्शन कहबा. ओके. तो ठीक है देख रही तो ये हम बहुत क्वेश्चन दिया है बर्तमान 1 बाय 1 करी जीवा है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ए कौन दिखाई एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू रूट एक्स माइनस 4. तो ये रूट भीतर अच्छी आमर अच्छी एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू रूट जी एक्स मीन्स डोमेन ऑफ एफ इज इक्वल टू एक्स सच दैट जी ऑफ एक्स ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. यहाँ को सॉल्व कर. तो से आंसर कर. तो डोमेन ऑफ एफ इज इक्वल टू एक्स सच दैट एक्स माइनस 4 ग्रेटर देन इज इक्वल टू 0. तो इज इक्वल टू एक्स सच दैट एक्स ग्रेटर देन इज इक्वल टू 4. तो दिस इज 4 to infinity domain of f 4 to infinity. Second one b f of x is equal to 1 by root x plus square bracket x. ओके. तो ये भी सेम प्रोसेस बट बाई इज देयर. तो सेम एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 बाय रूट जी एक्स मीन्स कौन करिए डोमेन ऑफ एफ इज इक्वल टू एक्स सच दैट जी ऑफ एक्स ग्रेटर देन 0 नॉट इक्वल टू 0 स्ट्रिक्टली ग्रेटर देन 0. इफ जी एक्स इक्वल टू 0 देन एफ एक्स टेंड्स टू इन्फिनिटी. तो सेम तो डोमेन ऑफ एफ इज इक्वल टू एक्स सच दैट एक्स प्लस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट एक्स ग्रेटर देन 0. अच्छा x प्लस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट x ग्रेटर देन 0 मीन्स x always positive. If x is negative then if x is negative अच्छा we have x square bracket x is less than x square bracket x is less than x नहीं कि when x is positive when x greater than 0 then x plus square bracket x greater than 0. If x is less than 0 then if x is less than 0 then x plus square bracket x is less than 0. Example, let x is equal to minus 3.5. तो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3.5 स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4. तो x प्लस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 7.5 लेस देन 0. ओके. देयरफॉर डोमेन ऑफ f इज इक्वल टू 0 to infinity 0 to open interval 0 to infinity. तो when x greater than 0 तो x plus square bracket x is positive otherwise it is negative. Okay. Next C f of x is equal to 1 by root x plus mod x, but here given x plus square bracket x, here given x plus mod x. Okay, अच्छा, तो domain of f same process x such that x plus mod x is greater than 0, is greater than 0. अच्छा, when x is negative value, when x is negative, then x plus mod x is equal to 0. When x is negative है कि let x is equal to -5, तो mod x is equal to +5, तो x plus mod x is equal to -5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, तो when x is negative, x plus mod x is कौन 0. Otherwise x plus mod x is positive. Therefore domain of f is equal to x such that x greater than 0. So is equal to 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity. Okay, 0 to infinity. Next d f of x is equal to 1 by root 1 minus x. Same process, domain of f is equal to x such that 1 minus x greater than 0. because root भीतर अच्छी तो root टा पॉजिटिव हवा पड़िबो, जे तळे अच्छी 0 हेगु हबनी. तो this is equal to x such that 1 greater than x or x such that x less than 1. तो this is minus infinity to 1 open interval. e f of x is equal to 3 by 4 minus x square. तो domain of f is equal to r minus x such that 4 minus x square is equal to 0. रूट भीतर नहीं है, तो इज इक्वल टू r minus 2 comma 2 because 4 minus x square is equal to 0 means x equal plus or minus 2. तो रियल नंबर r रू -2 + 2 माइनस कर दियो, ताहले केबे हेले तमरो 3 by 4 minus x square इनफिनिट आसीबनी. नेक्स्ट g, what is g? f of x is equal to, sorry, f not g, f of x is equal to root 25 minus x square. तो domain of f is equal to x such that 25 minus x square greater than is equal to 0. Okay, first put 25 minus x square equal to 0. तो implies x is equal to plus or minus 5. Draw the number line minus infinity to plus infinity. Then put the value of x -5 to +5 नहीं. तो what is the sign of x square here? Negative. तो put a negative sign. Then the opposite positive or opposite negative. Since 25 minus x square greater than equal to 0, तो x belongs to -5 to +5. Greater than equal to 0 means taking positive value. तो this is a positive sign नहीं कि. तो domain of f is equal to -5 to +5 close interval. -5 to +5 close interval. Okay. Next g f of x is equal to x plus 7 by x square minus 8x plus 4. Okay, domain of f is equal to x such that sorry r minus x such that f of x is equal to gx by hx. तो domain of f is equal to domain of g intersection और another form r minus x such that g h of x is equal to 0. h of x is equal to 0. Okay, condition gx and hx are two polynomial function. gx and hx are two polynomial function. तो here both are polynomial function. तो x square minus 8x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, तो is equal to r minus, तो x square minus 8x plus 4 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac 16 by 2a. तो 8 plus or minus 64 minus 16 48 root 2. So this is 8 plus or minus 4 root 3 by 2. So 2 to cancel कल कौन सा लेटा 4 प्लस और माइनस 2 रूट 3. तो 4 प्लस 2 रूट 3 4 माइनस 2 रूट 3 कमा 4 प्लस 2 रूट 3 ये माइनस होगा है. a domain of G. Next, F, H, f of x is equal to square root of x square minus 6x plus 8. So domain of f of x is equal to x such that root भितर कौन अच्छी x square minus 6x plus 8 greater than or equal to 0. Greater than is equal to 0. So first find x square plus 6 minus 6x plus 8. Put x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is x minus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 comma 2. Draw the number line. Minus infinity plus infinite, then 2, then 4. What is the sign of x square? Sign of x square is plus sign. So put here plus. Then the opposite minus, then opposite plus. So here given greater than equal to 0 means taking positive value. So taking positive value. So domain of f is equal to x belongs to minus infinity to 2 close union 4 to infinity semi close semi open, semi close semi open. Okay, minus infinity to 2 union 4 to infinity taking positive sign only equal to 0. So this is a closed interval. Okay, next I f of x is equal to x plus 3 divided by 2 minus x into x minus 5 whole root. Okay, so domain of f, तो रूट भितर कौन अच्छी होल्ड अच्छी रूट भितर अच्छी. तो x such that x plus 3 divided by 2 minus x into x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Greater than is equal to 0. Okay, अच्छा. This is the same as देखो ये न्यूमरेटर बाय डिनोमिनेटर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. अच्छा, न्यूमरेटर बाय डिनोमिनेटर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स both numerator and denominator are positive. Either both numerator and denominator both are positive or numerator and denominator both are negative. Okay, अच्छा. Similarly fx into gx greater than 0 means either fx gx both are positive or fx and gx both are negative. So same thing repeat होची. तो this is x such that x plus 3 into 2 minus x into x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0 but 2 minus x into x minus 5 not is equal to 0. Okay, अच्छा. So this is equal to x such that x plus 3 into 2 minus x into x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0 and x not is equal to 2 not is equal to 5. X not is equal to 5. अच्छा, first put x plus 3 is equal to 0, 2 minus x is equal to 0, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So implies x is equal to minus 3 to 5. Draw the number line. So minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity, then put the value of x from कौन छोट रू बड़ा कौन सजे दियो नहीं कि. तो दिस इज minus 3, this is then 2, then 5. अच्छा, तो what is the sign of x here? What is the sign of x here? Positive. What is the sign of x here? Negative. What is the sign of x here? Positive. So multiply this sign. Plus into minus into plus is equal to what? Minus. Okay, multiply कले तो x रो साइन पॉजिटिव, x रो साइन नेगेटिव, x साइन पॉजिटिव, तीन जगह साइन को मल्टीप्लाई कल कौन नेगेटिव आसला. तो पुट हियर नेगेटिव साइन, सब राइट रु लेफ्ट को आसो. तो पुट हियर कौन नेगेटिव साइन, देन तार अपोजिट पॉजिटिव, आर अपोजिट नेगेटिव, आर अपोजिट पॉजिटिव. हियर गिवन ग्रेटर देन इज इक्वल टू 0 गिवन. तो आम कौन करवा पॉजिटिव साइन की नवा. Greater than equal to 0, greater than 0 दिया means taking positive sign, less than 0 दिया means taking negative sign. Okay, so this implies x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 union 2 to 5 minus curly bracket 3 to minus 3 minus curly bracket 2 comma 5 because x not equal to and x not is equal to 5. So implies domain of f is equal to minus infinite to minus 3 semi open semi close union. This is open interval 2 to 5. Open interval 2 to 5. This is the domain of f. This is the domain of f. Okay. Next question number J. Question number J, f of x is equal to root x minus 1 plus root 3 minus x. So this is suppose g of x plus h of x. So domain of fx is equal to domain of gx intersection domain of hx. Let. So domain of f is equal to domain of g intersection domain of h. So domain of g is equal to x such that x minus 1 greater than equal to 0. So x such that x greater than is equal to 1 means 1 to infinity. Domain of h is equal to x such that 3 minus x greater than is equal to 0 or x such that 3 greater than is equal to x or x such that x less than is equal to 3. So this is a minus infinite to 3. Okay. So domain of f is equal to domain of g intersection domain of h. So minus, this is minus infinite 1 to infinity intersection minus infinite to 3. Okay, this is the number line minus infinite to infinity. This is minus, this is 1, this is 3. So first one 1 to infinity, this is 1 to infinity. Second one 3 to infinity, 3 to infinity. So common is what? Common is 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Square bracket. Common is 1 to 3. So this is the domain of fx is equal to 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Okay. Yellow common dala. A person is. Next k f of x is equal to root x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 plus root 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. Suppose this is g of x, this is h of x. Let. Okay. So g of x is equal to root x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 and h of x is equal to root 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Okay. Achha, domain of g is equal to x such that x minus 2 by x plus 2 greater than is equal to 0 or this is same as x such that x minus 2 into x plus 2 greater than is equal to 0 but x plus 2 not is equal to 0. Okay. Or this is the same as both are not equal but x minus 2 by x plus 2 greater than equal to 0 means numerator is positive, denominator is positive or numerator is negative, denominator is negative. If same, first one positive, second one positive, then product is positive. First one is negative, second one negative, then product is positive. Okay, so both are not equal but sense is same. Okay, so x such that x minus 2 into x plus 2 greater than is equal to 0, comma x not is equal to minus 2. So draw the number line. Draw the number line. In the first case, draw the number line minus infinity to plus infinity. So if it is 0, then x is equal to minus 2 or 2. This is minus 2 or plus 2. So what is the sign of x here? Plus. What is the sign of x here? Plus. So plus into plus, plus. Sin of x plus sin of x plus. Okay. तो sin of x कहाँ से देखो? Sin of x plus अच्छी, sin of x plus अच्छी. तो जब multiply के लिए कौन आती है? Plus sign. तो put here plus sign. This is minus, this is plus. Okay. Then x belongs to greater than equal to 0 means taking positive sign. So minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity minus curly bracket minus 2. So is equal to x belongs to means domain of g is equal to minus infinity to minus open union 2 to infinity. This is domain of g. Next domain of h. Domain of h same thing. Domain of h is equal to x such that 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x greater than or equal to 0, condition 1 plus x not is equal to 0. So is equal to same. This is x such that 1 minus x into 1 plus x greater than is equal to 0, but x not is equal to minus 1. X not is equal to minus 1. So draw the number line. This is minus infinity, infinity, minus 1, 1. So what is the sign of x? Negative. Sign of x is positive. So negative into positive is negative. So put a negative sign. Then the opposite plus, the opposite minus. So here greater than equal to 0, so taking positive sign. So x belongs to minus 1 to 1 minus curly bracket minus 1 is equal to open interval minus 1 to semi-close 1. Here domain of h. Therefore domain of f is equal to, therefore domain of f, domain of f is equal to domain of g intersection domain of h. So this is minus infinity to minus 2 open union 2 to infinity whole intersection semi open minus 1 to semi close 1. Okay, this is the number line minus infinity to infinity. Okay, so here minus 2, this is 2, minus 1, 1. So first one minus infinity to 2, minus infinity to minus 2. This is the first one. Okay, next 2 to infinity. This is minus 1 to plus 1. So there is no common. If there is common nahi kichi, so this is 5. So domain of f is equal to 5. Domain of f is equal to what? 5. Okay. F of x does not exist for all x belongs to R. Okay. Next L. What is L? F of x is equal to 1 by log 1 minus x base 10 plus root x plus 2. Suppose this is equal to g of x plus h of x, where g of x is equal to 1 by log of 1 minus x base 10 and h of x is equal to x plus 2, the root. Okay. So domain of gx is equal to, देखो कौन अच्छी x such that means r minus x such that log of 1 minus x greater than 0 is equal to 0. अच्छा, here given log function given. अच्छा, log 1 minus x equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. Sorry, this is another type carry out another way. So suppose this is 1 by p of x. So p of x is equal to what? Log 1 minus x. So domain of px is equal to log function given. So this is x such that 1 minus x greater than 0. X such that 1 minus x greater than 0. Okay, so this is x such that 1 greater than x. X such that 1 greater than x. अच्छा, तो domain of px is equal to x such that x is less than 1. That means this is minus infinity to 1. Minus infinity to 1. Okay. अच्छा, minus infinity to 1. Next, domain of gx is equal to, domain of gx is equal to, domain of gx is equal to domain of px minus x such that p of x is equal to 0. So is equal to minus infinity to 1 minus x such that log of 1 minus x is equal to 0. Log of 1 minus x is equal to 0. Okay, so is equal to minus infinity to 1 minus log 1 minus x is equal to 0 means 1 minus x. This is x such that 1 minus x is equal to e to power 10 to power 0. 10 to power 0. So is equal to, this is minus infinity to 1 minus x such that 1 minus x is equal to 1. 1 cancel. So x is equal to 0. So this is minus infinity to 1 minus 0 curly bracket 0. Curly bracket 0. ये domain of gx आसीगला. Next domain of hx. Next to find domain of hx. Domain of hx. देखो domain of hx. hx means what? X plus 2 root. So this is x such that x plus 2 greater than equal to 0, or x such that x greater than equal to minus 2. This is minus 2 to infinity. Okay, so domain of f is equal to domain of g intersection domain of h. So this is minus infinite comma 1 minus curly bracket 0 intersection minus 2 to infinity. So what is the value? This is minus 2 to 1 semi close semi open minus curly bracket 0. Minus 2 to 1 semi close semi open minus curly bracket 0. This is the domain of L, means fx is equal to 1 by log 1 minus x base 10 plus square root of x plus 2. Okay. Next class we shall do the problem of range, how to find the range of a given function and other questions. Okay.